Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to enable multitasker in Microsoft Edge. So open Microsoft Edge. Now here type Edge semicolon double slash and flags. Now here search split. So you will see this option Microsoft Edge split screen or split screen. Enable the split screen feature. It will work in Mac, Windows and Linux. Click on this drop down and just select here enabled. Now here you have to open restart your Microsoft Edge. So you will see this feature split window. So as we can see now we have this two window. You can work together as its name multitask. Like you can work, click on new tab and search. So this is the method guys you can use and you can enable multitasker in Microsoft Edge. Once you need to remove, again click here. Here is the option open link in the current tab, open link from left to right tab. And here you can remove by clicking here also. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you or not.